Today we're making pelmeni. Pelmeni are Siberian dumplings filled with meat, which were originally eaten by hunters. They used to take these with them in their bags on their hunts, heat them over the fire, and eat during their breaks. Today, pelmeni can be eaten with sour cream or butter, and some even eat them with vinegar. Today we're making pelmeni for Novi God. Novi God in English is New Year's Eve. It's not a religious holiday and has nothing to do with Soviet ideology. One of the most common customs is to have a table full of great food and a fridge full of liquor. It's a family holiday. We celebrate it with family and friends. In the last decade, a new custom has started, which we call a cooking party. A few hours before the family dinner, friends gather and prepare pelmeni together. It involves lots of talking, laughter, and drinking. After the pelmeni are ready and eaten, each person goes on to their family dinner. This restaurant is called Vatrushka, and it serves Muscovite food. My partner Yelena wanted to open this place in Tel Aviv so that Russian intellectuals can come eat and talk here. What they get here are dishes they are familiar and comfortable with. For Novi God celebrations, we'll make special dishes, including pelmeni. We want to have the holiday spirit and also, hopefully, make our guests feel like they're back home.